everybody, Lauren here from Anita Goodesign, and I'm here to talk to you today about our All Access membership. Now, if you've been shopping with Anita, you've definitely heard by now of the words All Access, or you have a friend that's a member, and you may be thinking to yourself, I'm interested, but I'm not exactly sure what it is. So our All Access is a 12-month membership where each month you receive a set of new designs from us. This is going to be our embroidery designs, our quilting designs, our projects, as well as our large releases. And you get them all in one magazine. Now, it could be a digital download magazine, or it could be a physical magazine, but I'll talk to you a little bit more in a minute about that. So let's talk about these designs. So why is it so popular? Why do so many people sign up for All Access? It's because of the deep discount. You are receiving these collections of designs every single month at over 80% discount. You just can't beat the pricing. Now, of course, Anita Goodesign is known for our quality of embroidery and quilting, and that's most important to us. So you are receiving new design collections every single month. They're not repeated from the past, they're brand new ones to you. So it's a really nice way for you to be able to build your library of designs. And it doesn't matter if you're an embroiderer, a quilter, or both. You're going to receive everything of our standard releases each month. Now, within your magazine, there's all different sorts of features in there. One of our most popular features, of course, are our step-by-step directions, because we offer you directions two ways. We have our pictured step-by-step directions that are going to walk you through how to create your projects, how to create and stitch out your designs. We then also have our numbered step directions, and those just tell you every single thing that you need to do and keep you organized and keep you on track. Now, we have those directions for every single collection that comes in your All Access each month. You just can't beat it. Now, we also have special content and features within these magazines as well. It could be tips and tricks. It might be a DIY project. We may show you how to take two collections that you would never think go together and make a very individual design and project with it. You might get behind the scenes sneak peeks of what's going on at Anita Goodesign. You're going to also receive sneak peeks as to collections that are coming out in the future. So you're going to know as an All Access member what is coming out soon before the rest of the world does. So it's an exclusive, kind of membership you have here with All Access. It really is a wonderful, fun way every month to receive these designs. Now, as I mentioned, we have kind of two different ways to receive your All Access. We have our digital membership. That membership is 12 months, and for those 12 months, it is $4.99 for the entire year. And on the first of the month, your All Access, your PDF of the book, and those designs will be dropped into your Anita Goodesign account in the Customer Center. So on the first, you just get on your computer and you have access to all those new designs and that wonderful PDF book. Now, if you're interested in the physical membership, meaning you want the magazine or this book in your hands each month, that you have your 12-month membership for $1,400. And then with that option, you're going to receive a $1,400 gift card to use on our website, anitagoodesign.com, and purchase any design collection you want that's already come out. And great part about that gift card is it does not expire. So you can hold on to it and shop as you like with that. Now, you also have the option of just taking a discounted 12-month membership with that physical book for $9.99. That is completely up to you which three of these options you would like, because it is the same set of designs every single month. It doesn't matter which membership you choose. It's just how you're receiving the book, if it's a PDF digital or if you're going to receive the physical in your hands. Now, where exactly can you sign up for these memberships? You can go to anitagoodesign.com, that's our website, and you can check out there and sign up for your membership. You can call us or email us at Anita Goodesign as well, or you can go to your local dealer and they will help you sign up too. So lots of different options, whatever is easiest for you. All right, now thank you so much for even considering being an All Access member, because it is really important that we put out and produce the best designs possible for you. And I know you're going to love it. Thank you so much.